Ever wished you could just zap money directly from Clearpay to your Monzo account? Unfortunately, it's not quite that simple. But don't worry, I'm going to show you a clever workaround. Since Clearpay primarily works for purchases and doesn't support direct transfers to bank accounts like Monzo, we need to get a little creative. The most common method involves using an intermediary account. Think of it as a stepping stone for your money. First, check if you have another bank account that is linked to Clearpay. This could be your primary checking account or even a PayPal account. This account will serve as the bridge between Clearpay and Monzo. Be aware that transferring money through other bank accounts could involve fees. Keep an eye on this. Next, within your intermediary account, look for the functionality to transfer funds out. Initiate a transfer from your intermediary account to your Monzo account using your Monzo account details, account number, and sort code. Obviously, make sure you are sending to the correct account. Finally, double-check your Monzo account within a few business days to confirm the transfer has been completed successfully. Easy, right? So, while you can't directly transfer from Clearpay to Monzo, using an intermediary account is your best bet. Just remember to factor in any potential fees and always double-check those account details before confirming any transfer. More information can be found in the description.